Hi, I'm Corey from Straightaway Travel, and here is the newly renovated Sunset Bluff Poolside Walkout Club Level room at Sandals Grand Antigua. On your right, you'll see the beautiful full bathroom with a spacious sink and a nice big walk-in shower. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion are included, so you don't have to bring your own. As you're walking into the room, you'll see the Cloud Soft king bed, as all Sandals resorts have. The closet has robes and slippers for Club Resorts guests. There are lots of plugs and outlets for all of your devices. There's a fully stocked bar for alcohol, coffee and tea, and a flat screen TV. Also, as Club Sandals guests, you'll get all the special perks, which include 24-hour in-room dining, access to the Club Sandals Lounge, and more. Your private patio leads right to the pool, and your room is on the ground level, so you have easy access to the rest of the resort. For more information on this room or any rooms at Sandals Grand Antigua, please contact me at Corey@straightawaytravel.com or your Straightaway Travel advisor.